find something that's like liquid gold leaf and see if it actually looks like gold leaf. That's what we're gonna look at today. We're gonna color swatch this and have a look. This is the Amanskaya. This one is rich gold. That's what it looks like. Give it a good vigorous shake. Oh, nice, there's a little ball in there. It's for size reference. That's a regular stapler. I'm gonna swatch this, the liquid gold leaf, against, this is faux gold leaf, and metallic gold paint. This is the one I was checking out in my last video. We're gonna swatch it on these things right here, the wood and this, and see what happens. It says that it can be used on metal, wood, concrete, plastic, a whole host of things. We're about to find out. If you're enjoying this video, click like and subscribe so we can hang out. I do like that it comes with a little brush. I think that's cool. Part of the goal of using this is to avoid the pain in the butt of like having to get out an adhesive and, you know, gold leaf and end up looking like this. Then yeah, it's a contained little doohickey. With this, we're gonna use the gold leafing adhesive. We already have it, so why not? A little loop of that. Try to cover the whole surface. We're gonna put this adhesive on, then we're gonna come back to this one because this stuff has to set up first before we can. Actually really been enjoying this set. I did another review on this and another, you can look for it on my channel. This has been great. Now we'll use this. I know I'm building the suspense for you guys. I know you hate it, I get it, it's fine. I would hate it too, but I'm still gonna do it. Ooh, you mustardy little monkey. Is our other friend here. I'm gonna do it like 2 coats, but we're gonna do 1 coat first because this product says that it covers in 1 coat. We'll see. So that's that. Boop. You better deliver, friend. I'm playing with you. Oh. Oh, schmack. Oh my God. You can color me impressed right now. Holy crap. It's gonna take a lot of this to do this little disc, but it's all for the cause. Y'all seeing this? Ooh. I wonder if they have a bigger bottle with a bigger brush. Cause like, I guess if you were working on something else that had a bigger area, you would just pour it into something and then do that. But we are not professional crafters here. I think I might be impressed, like no joke. Y'all seeing that? Okay. Let me not get too excited. Let me wait. I guess if you were really worried about it, you know, go with the grain, okay, which I'm not. And of course, because this is balsa wood, it's like absorbing quite a bit of this. I keep having to dip back in here. But you could do, like if you weren't putting it on something that was so absorbent, you would be able to do a lot of stuff with this bottle. Alcohol base, so it says that it dries really fast, which I would have to say is true because look at that. That's already dry and that's, okay, friend. You're trying to show out. Y'all, look at, sorry. Look. All right, I'm shocked right now. We're gonna leave that guy for a couple more seconds and I'm gonna be a total mess. The reason I wanna put it on here is because I wanna see what it looks like on a flat surface, okay? And then on a textured surface, so that's what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, so there. This is the faux gold leaf that came with that adhesive that I used. Again, really liking this set. Okay, here we go. Of course, I didn't lay it down right because I might have to go back and do those 2 corners. Just what am I doing? I'm making a terrible mess. All right, that's good enough. This is making my brain hurt. We'll come back to you, buddy. What is this? Is my life. Fast. This is just like, you know one of those little earring cards that you put your earrings on? Get your earrings on, rather. That's what this is. Bro, this looks like a piece of metal. But I mean, I would say, obviously, it looks like brush strokes matter. So be more careful than I'm being. Use a bigger brush. I'm somewhat shocked right now. I'm gonna pick them up so you guys can really see them, but hang on. We're not even gonna do 2 coats because we're just gonna test it coat for coat. What do you think? So I'll try to pick them up so you can get a really good look at them. Okay. In order. Gold leaf, metallic gold paint, liquid gold leaf. What do y'all think? I know which one's my favorite. This one. This is beautiful. This is absolutely, I wonder if you could redo like jewelry that was kind of going the wrong color with this. This is stunning. I do not like this stuff at all. This and this are beautiful, different looks, but the ease of this, how fast, no prep work, no adhesive, just lay it down, no cleanup. Guys, they have this stuff in many, many colors, like rose gold, silver, bronze, copper, all the things. I love that you can use this indoors. I'm gonna have to smell this for y'all. Hold on. Kind of smells like nail polish, but not bad. You could use this inside. It's easy to do. There was no prep work. There was no cleanup. It dried immediately. It looks beautiful. Genuinely a viable option. You want to add gold leaf to something, but you don't want to mess with all the, you know, adhesive, cleanup, all this nonsense. This is 100% worth picking up, and I will have this in my toolkit from here on out. In fact, I think I'm gonna go back and get the other colors. This is, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Especially if you have like a purse that you have hardware on that needs to be fixed. It just blew my mind. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.